This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. This bright and airy home has it all. Inside, the home has an open first floor plan for both daily living and entertaining. Upon entering this magnificent home, immediately notice the wide pine floors, custom professional interior design finishes, and bright sunlight streaming in through many southern exposure windows. A custom designed kitchen west/quartzite countertops, upgraded appliances, and separate eating area. Large butler's pantry with cabinetry topped by a natural maple wood counter. The living room is brightly lit west/wood burning fireplace. The guest bedroom, guest bath, and large family room opening to the patio round out the first floor. The second floor offers an additional 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and large laundry room. The luxurious master suite was remodeled in 2019. Enormous basement, mostly finished west/wall-to-wall carpet, and powder room. Unfinished area offers room for storage and more. Professional landscaping offers the same class and beauty as the inside. Absolutely must see. For more information,